this is Jenny with Troxel Helmets, and I'm here today with the new redesigned Spirit. The Spirit has been completely redesigned into a low-profile, deep-fit helmet for optimal comfort. It has a flex visor, which gives upon an impact rather than shattering, and it has a DialFit System in the back for comfort and fit. This dial can be adjusted in and out to achieve optimal fit. On the inside of the helmet, there is a removable washable headliner. You can throw it in the wash machine and then put it back in and it's like new. It also has flip folds in the liner to give you a little bit of a snugger fit on side to side if it's needed. The new Spirit has amazing ventilation. As you can see from the front, these strategically placed vents flow the air through the rear of the helmet, making for a cool, comfortable ride. The Spirit is available in sizes extra small through large and fits small children up to adults. Again, this is our new Spirit.